Alright guys, the next thing I want to show you is how to package your file. So the reason why I'm showing you this is what if you did get kind of lazy and you didn't put your images all in that nice little images folder like I told you to in the beginning, and you just kind of like started pulling from different folders, and now you're like, oh, I want to be more organized. How can I do that? You can do something called packaging the files, where it will, like, InDesign will nicely put everything into one little folder and grab all the images that you used, and also put your InDesign file, put a PDF of it into it, and everything. It's super nice because I have made that mistake. I was in a rush and I was making something and I didn't do the nice little images folder. So I can go to File, and then at the bottom of File there's something called Package. So it's going to warn you. It's kind of like a pre-flight, and it'll tell you if you're having any issues. Because I just am collecting this and I'm not sending it off for a printer, those are going to be different settings. So if you were going to actually get something printed because you needed hard copies and you want to take it somewhere, they're going to have different requirements. You have to talk to them about that because everybody's so different. So I can't go over that in this video. This is just basically for on-screen only. So I'm fine with all of the defaults. I really never changed that. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the package button. Yes, I do want to save it. Then it's going to ask me, where do you want to package? This tells you everything that it's going to copy the fonts. It could do, if I don't want the fonts, I don't need the fonts. I want the link graphics, of course. I don't need this. I do want a PDF. I could set it for high res. So you don't have to create a new folder. It's automatically going to put all this wonderful stuff in a folder for you. So I'm just going to hit the package button. And then, so it's doing a pre-flight. It's definitely going to probably shoot up that warning like it did before. There are some warnings. Yes, I'm aware of that. Probably color stuff. Boom, it's done. So if I minimize this, and there it is on my desktop. And like I said, the links are all in there. There's the InDesign file. There's a PDF. So if for some reason I need to neatly put everything together, that's how I would do it. Thanks for watching.